Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best trick. Do you know the Faucetpay have a best trick to you can make more than $1,000 every day from this Faucetpay, and right now I share with you some tricks to you can easily make your money. First of all, click this three dash, click the multiple. This is all of the trick, but I use these or crash a lot of times. Right now I share with you these. Okay, I changed the cryptocurrency to some cryptocurrency like a dogecoin. I didn't have much more. Or Tron. I have much more Tron in here. Okay, more than 30 torrents. You can start this trick, and more than 20 you can start this trick surely, but 30 is very great. And from here put the minimum bidding amount is 1000 satoshi of torrent. I just remove the 0 and put the 5, and right now is a 51,000 satoshi. I put in the number of payout to 203. okay, it's a 41.30 time winning chance, and if I beat this match I win this match. Okay, and in the beating section have a bid high and bid low, and in the withdrawal you can see I have this much withdrawal. In the morning I start beating, and you can see a lot of participate in the contest. This is $1,000, but I didn't reach $1,000 until now, but I reached $10 or $50 one time I reach it, and maybe I'm going to one day reaching that $1,000. Okay, what you do starting, click from this to one of these two, just clicking below you can see you lose. Okay, just click 2x. okay, and then click the one of the bid you love. I just click bid high. You can see I win. I come back to the first bidding amount. Okay, right now it's 2x of my bidding amount. Just I click this one. Okay, you can see it's came back to my bidding amount. Okay, just I click one of these, go win, lose. Right now after winning you didn't change the bidding amount. Every time you lose, changing the bidding amount, and then click one of these, you can see you win. Just come back and just click one of these. Okay, win. Okay, lose again, just change it, click the one of these and win again. Just come back and click one of these, you lose, click 2x, click one of these, you win again. Come back to the first amount. Okay, like this trick you can going further. Okay, I lose. Okay, I lose again. I 2x again. Okay, I win. I just clicked one time, it's the speed, and another time you can see that my first bidding amount will become here. I just putting some bidding amount faster. You can see lose, I 2x every time I click. In here you can see how much more bidding amount, and this is my winning off of Turing. With this trick you can easily increase your amount, and just I click this one to come back in my first bidding amount I started. Okay, if I click minimum, going to back 1000. Okay, I start again bidding. Okay, lose, win. Every time you win, oh sorry, I missed that. Every time you win, come back to the first amount. okay, and you can see I increase the amount, okay, very fast, okay, and that's the best way you can increase your bidding amount. And I come back to my first amount, you can see is increased little bit more, and start again. I work much more time. I know how much how you can start with, but for the beginning you start with the least amount. For 1000, start from 1000, because it's too hard to you understand the numbers, how much number will become, which number you take it, you win or lose. In beating is too hard to understanding. For that you use minimum amount, okay. You can see it's increased very fast, okay. I have more than one of Tron right now. It's too fast. It's not in just 1 minute maybe I making this much Tron. It's too easy to claim. From a lot of time I making auto beating, okay. Auto beating is the way you lot of time lose your amount, but manual beating, I working with manual beating like 2 weeks ago. Then I started making video about manual beating, so I understand how much is the ability to you win across this game, okay. And you can see my withdrawal is going up from BTC, and I use the base cryptocurrency of much more priceless cryptocurrency. That time it's increased very fast, okay. If I use Ethereum, Binance, or Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dashcoin, it's Tether, Zcash, Binance, this cryptocurrency is very fast earning. If you use Ethereum to you have more than 0.01 Ethereum, you need to have to you increase your amount. Thanks watching guys, and this is my best trick to I use to increase my amount. In my Faucetpay I use all of day, every day I used to earn just $1, not more than $1, because I didn't have much more time for to take it. It's just I give him 10 minutes or maybe 20 minutes, I making $10 from here. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.